Hi, I'm Dr. Dana Stern, inventor of the Dr.Dana Nail Renewal System. The Nail Renewal System is completely unique. You've never seen a product like this. It's a real systematic approach to treating nails using healthy, natural ingredients like coconut oil, apricot oil, mauritia fruit oil, sunflower oil, and it has our proprietary bioactive phytocrystal complex. You're never going to find another formula like this. You're going to treat 10 nails in 10 minutes and you're going to see the results instantaneously. Step 1 is our glycolic nail prep. And this is a breakthrough concept because this is the first nail treatment product to ever incorporate glycolic acid. What is it doing? It's removing that surface damage so that we can then effectively treat. Step 2 of the system is called our Perfect Grit Priming Wand, and it's a 3-sided wand. Each of the 3 numbered surfaces is a different grit strength. We studied grit strength extensively, and it turns out that most buffers that you buy in your beauty supply shop are designed for acrylic nails, and so the levels of abrasiveness can be extremely damaging to the nail. So now that you've loosened up that damage with the glycolic acid, you're going to be using the priming wand to effectively remove all of that surface damage, no matter how damaged your nail is. Now, most other nail products are simply layering chemicals on top of that damage, and that's why they don't work. They're literally a patch job. What we're doing here is we're removing that damage so that we can get the good stuff in. This is our step 3, our deep hydrating formula. It's loaded with everything your nails need. This is the treatment step. So now that you've removed all of that surface damage, you're effectively treating. You only need to use it once a week. You're going to treat 10 nails in 10 minutes. Your nails are instantly going to appear healthier, smoother, and shinier. In fact, we did clinical studies, and 100% of those surveyed said that after just one treatment, their nails appeared smoother, shinier, and healthier. Importantly, it's free of so many of the harmful ingredients that are in so many other so-called nail treatment systems. Things like formaldehyde, artificial dyes, artificial fragrance. You're never going to find that in a Dr. Dana product. It's going to instantly transform your nails. 10 nails, 10 minutes. It only takes one treatment, and you're going to see those results immediately.